Let's see the last exception, element click intercepted exception. What will happen? There are two elements on the web page and the top element is overlapping with the bottom element. Suppose you want to click on the bottom element. Bottom element, I want to click. So if I do the click operation using the bottom element, what will happen? This exception will be thrown. Exception will be thrown. So previously also we have seen this earlier, element click intercepted exception. So bottom element, I wanted to click. There are two overlapping elements on top of one another. And whenever I try to click on the bottom element, the top element is overlapping and it is obstructing the click operation to happen. So in order to reproduce that, let me go to one demo website. So it is a flipkart.com. This is a shopping website. In this shopping website, suppose I wanted to click on the flight bookings. So if I use the locator XPath for the flight bookings, easily I can able to click. But here there is a one more element called login. So whenever I mouse over on this login, this drop down option is coming. Are you a new customer? Sign up, my profile, Flipkart plus zone orders, wish list. All these options are coming whenever I am doing mouse over on this login. So if I do mouse over on login, this pop-up is coming. These drop down values are coming, and I won't be able to click on this flight bookings easily using the normal click method. So web element using the flight bookings element, I cannot do the click operation. You will be getting this element click intercepted exception. Whenever this login drop down is open, only whenever this is open, I am doing mouse over on it, then only this is happening. So when this is there, the click operation will not happen. So in order to handle that, you have to use the JavaScript executor. Use the JavaScript to click on bottom element. So there is an element at the bottom, right? If you want to click on it, you need to use the JavaScript executor. So let's write some code to reproduce this problem. Element click intercepted exception. So let's create a new class. New class. Element click intercepted exception demo. Select the main method. Click on finish. So let's take the code one more time. So I'm going to take the first 4 lines of code and paste it into our class. So here, let's change the website. It is flipkart.com. Now save it. So Chrome browser is launched and implicit wait is set to 10 seconds. Flipkart website is loaded and it will maximize the window. Now I need to find the two elements. One element is this login. So whenever I mouse over on login, this drop down is coming. And I need to find the element for this flight booking also. So you can do the right click and do the inspect here and inspect the flight bookings. So there is a span here, flight bookings is there. So copy this text, Control C, Control F, and we can put /span and put the text method and close the square bracket. So you can see one of one is coming. So this is the XPath we have to use for flight bookings. So driver dot find element by dot XPath I am using. So span text equal to flight booking. So this is the element for flight booking. So we can name it as web element. Flight bookings. Mouse over and do the import for web element. So first element we have find easily using the XPath, and we need to find the element for the login also. Mouse over on the login and you can see there is a span login also here. So Control F /span and let's use the text method again here. Login, close the square bracket. You can see one of one is coming. So this is also a working element. So first of all, I need to find the element and use the actions class in order to do the mouse over. move to element method I need to use here. Login equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath, and let's pass this span text login. So using the actions class, first of all, I will be mouse over on this, and this flight booking will get hidden behind the login button. So first of all, let's comment out this, and let's check whether the flight booking click is happening. So I'm going to take this flight booking dot click operation. So I need to do the click. So this code will not have any problem right now. I'm taking the locator for flight booking and I'm doing the click operation. So flight booking web page will be loaded. If I do click on this manually, it is going to flight booking page, right? So it is taking time to load, and you can see like one-way trip or round trip. The flight booking mode is open now. So the same thing will happen using automation also. If I run as Java application, the flight booking will work normally if I'm not doing the mouse over on login. So you can see the flight booking opened successfully, one-way trip or round trip it is asking, and the from and to location and the dates also it is coming correctly. So I'm closing this, and instead of doing the click operation, my goal here is I wanted to show you how the problem will happen. So maybe this is also very rarely encountered problem, but whenever it happens, you need to use the JavaScript executor. So first of all, let's create the problem and try to rectify that using JavaScript executor. So here we are intentionally doing this, but in some cases it may happen in any project also. That time you have to use the JavaScript executor. So let's go back, and the login we need to do the mouse over, move to element using the actions class. So let's create the actions class object. So login element I need to first of all create, and then create the actions class object, actions. Some object name we can give, actions object equal to new actions, and pass the driver. And let's import the actions class. So after this, using the actions object dot, we have a move to element method and pass the login. So once we do that, you can able to see once I execute the code, the login element will be mouse over and some drop down will be visible. So let's check that. Run as Java application. So keep the mouse somewhere else. Here we have to do one more thing. We did one mistake. So perform method we have to use. If you simply do move to element, it will not work. Dot perform also you have to use. So I'm going to close it, and we have to re-execute one more time. Find the login element and create the actions class object and move to element dot perform. Perform is mandatory. So run as Java application. So you can see the mouse over is happening and login drop down is visible now, and flight booking is at the background. So I need to do the click operation on the flight booking after opening the login drop down. So this is a rare case, and just in order to show you that how the exception will be happening, I am doing the login mouse over. So I am doing mouse over on the login. Mouse over means just I am placing the cursor on the login. Then the drop down will be coming. So login drop down will be opened. Whenever you do mouse over, drop down is open, and I am doing the flight booking click now. So if you check it now, the exception will happen now. So if you go back to the Eclipse, what happens? You can able to see this element click intercepted exception. Element click intercepted, element span is not clickable at the point. So it is giving something other element will receive the click. So there is some other element is receiving the click instead of the actual element. So this is the problem. Element click intercepted exception. If you want to solve this problem, the regular flight booking click method, web element click method will not work. Because this login mouse over whatever drop down is coming, that is hiding the flight bookings. So we have to use a JavaScript executor code in this example. Fix the click operation using JavaScript executor. So create JavaScript executor JS equal to JavaScript executor and write driver, and we need to import the JavaScript executor. So after this, we need to do the click operation. What is the code? js.execute script, and we need to pass two arguments here. So the first one is we need to say like arguments and put a square bracket, index 0 we need to do, and use the method click and put brackets. So this is the JavaScript method for doing the click operation, and the element also we need to pass here. So what is the element? We need to pass the flight bookings. So this is the element I need to do the click. So if I use the regular click, it is anyway throwing the element click interceptor exception, right? So if I use the JavaScript executor click, inside the browser, it will inject the click operation. Internally to the browser, the JavaScript will take care of it. So the click will be injected, even though there is a hiding element also, it will take care of it. And you can see the click will happen and this code will work. So flight bookings will get clicked with JS execute script. So we can close the previous thing and let's save this program, Control S and run as Java application. So you can see the click is happening because of JavaScript executor code, and you can also see it is going to this page. Earlier the element click intercepted exception will happen, and I commented that code and I used the JavaScript executor code and passed that element and used this arguments index 0 dot click. So this is a JavaScript code. It is injected into the browser and it is working as expected. So this way, this is maybe some interview perspective, or in the companies also we frequently encounter and we use these things. So element click intercepted and element not interactable. These are rarely encountered, but sometimes you need to handle these elements also.